someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit not important, what I'ma pop out. Don't play with someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
Alright guys, just like what we promised, he got the red one next. C8. Guys, let me know, man, because if I'm buying one, it's gonna be red. I ain't gonna lie. I love red. That's my favorite color. The Hellcat is blue, but red is my favorite color. If I'm buying one, shit, it's gonna be red. Alright, let's see what we gonna do. Woo! And the engine in the back, baby. Come on now. It's a 500 horsepower car and it's behaving like it got 1,000. Come on now. Alright. Where's the Z? How you pull up on the screen?
Oh, the Z? Oh, you got it. You didn't turn on the engine yet.
It didn't?
No.
I swear I pressed the button. It's on the brake.
No, sure. There it is. Now you got it on.
Okay. Yeah. Z mode. I was like, I pressed the button.
Yeah,
put it in Z mode and everything. Traction. Oh, his button is different. What the hell? So it's in Z mode and everything, right? There we go. Z mode. Traction fully off. You gotta hold it down because when it says traction off, it isn't fully off. Then you're gonna see. Now it's fully off when it says ESC off.
Okay, cool. You gotta do that on this part. That's okay. Yeah.
No worry. When I get back the Cat, you're gonna become less scared. I want to launch it. I just go brake and gas to launch it. Oh, your brakes is touchy compared to his.
Yeah, mine's is really because I got the sport one. The sport,
the sport brake.
The sport brake there.
So just floor it, or do I have to press the button to put in launch?
No, you gotta hold the brakes.
Yeah.
And then
hold the gas.
Yeah, hold the gas and then you'll feel it.
All right. Bro, yours feels so much different than his. What the hell? I don't know, man. Yo, you gotta race that shit.
Yeah, mine is faster.
Have you tuned it?
Yeah, it's not the regular version. This is it's tuned up a little bit.
Oh, it's tuned.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why it spun off the line just now.
Yeah. Careful.
You're good, my boy. I got you. Don't worry. Yo. So wait, what kind of tune does it have?
I can't remember what I did, but my boy hooked me up.
Oh my God, scared us out.
Shit. Oh shit!
What? That's what we do, dog. Yo, this one slides a whole lot more.
Careful.
I got you, my boy. You don't gotta worry. Yo! I don't know what it is, but this one slides a lot more. It slides a lot more, bro. What do you think of it? What do you think?
That's crazy.
You never know it could be like that?
No.
Yep. You see, when you turn off everything, because right now all the traction is off, so it's not going to help you. You see what I'm saying? But the thing is, you got to prepare for it. Because if you're not prepared for it, then it will kill you. You know what I'm saying? If you're not prepared for it, then it's going to go sideways and you're not going to be able to catch it. You know what I'm saying? Take it back in?
Yeah. That's it for me.
You said that's it for me. You said that's it for me. All right, let's kick it out. Bring her back in, man. There we go. And we park. What do you think?
Shit! Yo, do you fucking charge to teach?
To teach? Yeah, I do.
Fucking pay you to
I will
teach me,
fucking
bro.
pay you. Yes, sir. And we didn't even do donuts. Maybe you see what it can do.
Damn.
You see how easy it is to spin. Right?
Oh my god.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the C8
mine
videos,
feels
man.
different, right?
Yeah, they feel completely different.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And off. There we go. You got the key?
Yeah.
Oh, tires.
He said I smell tires.
How was that drive?
Bro, that shit was sick. But the two of them handle so different, Keel.
They handle different?
Yeah, this one spins. Here's the key. This one don't get grip.
Oh, and that one gets good.
Yeah, this
So
one
like,
spins.
what's the difference between two of them? Like
Well,
the spec?
his is tuned.
Who's two?
This one,
This one, yeah.
Yours is two?
Yeah, it's quick.
his
how you feel about
his doesn't get grip. You
Nah?
see like how yours take the corner and get grip? His
Yeah.
doesn't. It kicks out. The tire difference.
Yeah, probably because
Tire difference?
But he said his
I
is
just only
tuned.
changed out my back tires, so they're brand new.
Plus I got the sport.
His is tuned.
It's two?
tire-
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Yeah, bro, so figure it out, that's where I am. Come on, bro, we going right now. Dog.
Right now. Yo, bro.
Bro, that was wild.
All right, Jojo. Yeah. Okay, guys, M2. We got this, dog. Ready? You want me to go now? Yes, sir. This shit sounds so sweet, dog. Yo. This shit sounds so sweet. God damn. I go drop out something, but he gonna see us soon.